What's up, guys? In this video, we're going to take a look at Telcoin. Obviously, the markets have seen a nice move recently, so we're going to take a look at Telcoin. We're going to go over the CoinMarketCap listing just briefly. We're going to take a look at the price action. I'm actually going to start with a fresh, uncluttered, clean chart so I can walk you guys through the technical analysis on Telcoin step by step. So if that sounds good to you guys and you are new to the channel, if you love cryptocurrency, you're not in the wrong place, guys. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and hitting that like button really helps out a lot. Dropping a comment down below in the comment section really helps out a lot. And also, sticking through the whole video with me, guys, really helps out a ton. So I really do appreciate all the tremendous support. Thank you so much, and we'll jump right on into the video. And also, before I begin, guys, I just want to let you know that I did create my own ERC20 token. Average Joe Crypto token. You can find it over here on dextools.io by clicking on the pair explorer and typing in AJC, which is the ticker. And there it is, guys, USDC AJC pair. You can come check it out if you would like. I also did a video on how exactly I created this coin. So if you want to check that video out, you can do so by clicking this link up in the right hand corner. Thank you, guys. We'll jump right on into today's video. All right, so Telcoin. Currently trading at a penny, about 1.5 cents or so. Currently up 46% in the past 24 hours. So, you know, judging by this chart, guys, Telcoin is definitely due for a pump. Okay, we're due for a move to the upside. I'm sure if you guys are invested in Telcoin, you are also telling yourselves the same thing. The whole space, guys, the whole crypto space was due for a bounce. Now, will this bounce last? We will get into that in some later updates, so make sure if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. But first of all, what is Telcoin? So we'll just go over to telco.in, which is the Telcoin website, and we're just going to take a look at this really briefly here. Send money smarter, instant low-cost money transfers powered by the blockchain. So it looks like here there is a Google Play app and an Apple App Store mobile app for Telcoin. So obviously what this is going to be here, remittances reimagined on mobile. There are nearly 5 times more mobile phones than active bank accounts, yet people around the world are still lining up to send money from high-cost remittance agents like Western Union. Okay, so this is exactly where I thought this was going, guys. So it's going to be like a blockchain-based Western Union, right? So obviously, let me know in the comment section down below, guys. Do you guys know of any other cryptocurrencies that are currently doing this same thing, that currently have this same use case? Because in my opinion, there's got to be some others out there that are doing the same thing. So drop a comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you guys know of any other coins that are trying to do or serve this same purpose as Telcoin. All right, so instant transfers. By leveraging blockchain technology and mobile money infrastructure, we enable users to transfer money globally in seconds. Mobile convenience, most affordable, powerful, and secure network. So Telcoin works with mobile operators and e-wallets globally, allowing us to reach a broad base of users with a contactless service, including fees and FX margin. The global average cost of sending a remittance is over 7%. Telcoin is targeting an average total cost of less than 2%, guys. So this could absolutely be huge. Obviously, if you've already invested in Telcoin, you probably already know this info. I'm just going to breeze through this real quick for those of you that don't really know much about Telcoin, myself included. It's not one that I'm actually invested in, but it is on my radar, guys. Use case right off the bat, okay? As soon as we look at the website, use case right off the bat, great use case, right? Great use case. So I'm just going to take a look at a couple other things really fast on the website. One thing is the partners. I would like to check that out. So affiliated partners, exchanges, and dexes. Okay, so we have GSMA, Gcash, Link, Aha, Telin. A lot of these are, looks like foreign. Let's see, CoinGate, EasyPay, KuCoin, Uniswap, Balancer, and QuickSwap. Plaid. Guys, Plaid. I don't know if you guys know what Plaid is, but Plaid is like a verifier. Like you use it to verify your bank account on certain apps and things like that. So it's pretty well known and pretty legitimate. So if they're partnered with Plaid, that's very awesome. Very, very cool. So next what we're going to do is go ahead and jump on into the price action for Telcoin. And like I said, guys, I am going to just do this step by step. We are going to start with a brand new, fresh, uncluttered chart for this technical analysis. So get your popcorn out, get ready, and let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and do, and this is what I typically like to do with any chart, is just locate, identify, and insert our levels of support and resistance with some horizontal lines, right? Throw some horizontal lines on this thing. So the first thing we're going to do, and guys, I do have this on the 4-hour chart, but the first thing I'm going to do is obviously, I don't know if you guys can see it, and some people don't leave this graph in the back of their chart, right? Or they use other charts that don't actually have this, where you can see these lines that line up here with each price level, right? I leave that in there because it can be a great indicator sometimes, and you can adjust it, right, by moving it up or down. But it can be a great indicator. Like if you throw it up here, you can see that 2.5 cents right here. There's already that line in there, right? You can see it. It helps you point out the levels of support and resistance very nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and put in a line there at 2.5 cents because you can see that that is previous support, and resistance, right? We got rejected pretty nicely by that. So 2.5 cents is going to be a great level here for Telcoin for some support and resistance here. Whoops, I might want to leave the line in there. And you can see that the next one, I mean, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm going to point this out for you. Up here at about 3.5 cents as well. And you also have some support and resistance down here at about 2 cents, right there at about 2 cents, guys. Okay, and you can see that very nicely. And this next one I'm going to put in is down here around 0.009, right? This wick back here, previous resistance, and current support. So very simple. This is what I typically like to do first. I like to throw in levels of support and resistance before really determining anything else with the analysis. So now, guys, you know that on the way back to the upside for Telcoin, you're going to pay attention to right there at about 0.019, right there at about 2 cents, at about 2.5 cents as well, and also up here around 3 cents. Those are your levels to pay attention to the upside. Now, what I'm going to do next is zoom on in and see if we can't formulate some possible patterns, or at least see if we can't figure out one pattern and implement a possible measured move. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so I have Telcoin zoomed in here on the 4-hour chart. We're going to take a little dive into this price action. First of all, I just want to point out this support you're seeing on your EMA here is beautiful. Okay, that support is beautiful right there. Very nice support, very nice volume as well. You know, volume is definitely a thing to pay attention to, because when you have price moves to the upside and you don't have a lot of volume to confirm those moves to the upside, or if you have a breakout of a pattern but you don't have a lot of volume to confirm that breakout, then likely you're going to fall back below the breakout point. But in this case, Telcoin is seeing decent volume here. You can see that the volume has declined though, as you've seen this little bit of a retrace. But what I'm kind of noticing here, and what I'm going to point out to you guys, and I could be wrong here, and as always, not financial or investment advice, invest at your own risk, disclaimer right there at the top of the screen. I am thinking we could absolutely, possibly be putting in a potential bear flag here. Excuse me, bull flag. We're done with the bears. We're done with the bears. We done kicked them to the curb, man. A possible bull flag, not a bear flag. I would edit that out, but guys, it's whatever. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this. If you do your own technical analysis, if you are familiar with these patterns, then tell me what you think. Could this possibly be a bull flag here on the 4-hour chart for Telcoin? And if so, we do have a measured move. It would be your flagpole, right? So we'll extract that flagpole over here to a possible breakout point. And guys, let's go ahead and throw that target in there. Looks like that gets you up here to about a little above 2 cents. Okay, so you can see our level that we've already put in here would play as potential resistance here, which is right there at 0.019 cents, which is right there close to 2 cents. You can see our measure move of this potential pattern actually gets you up to retest this previous level of support. And as I've said in my previous updates, guys, when analyzing these charts, typically once you've broken your support level, right, you have your support level here, you broke it here, you caught resistance on it here. So you actually already came up and tested that for resistance and got rejected and fell to the downside. And you can see that if this measure move were to play out, it looks like it would actually get you to come up and break back above the previous support and resistance. Okay, you can see it actually gets you slightly above it. Okay, and you really didn't do that here, right? You really didn't do that back here. You didn't really get above it. You wicked up barely above that line, and we could actually probably adjust that line just a little bit. I did just throw that in there real quick. But this measure move of this as a potential bull flag, guys, would get Telcoin up here to retest this previous support and resistance level. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys think this is a legitimate pattern here and a legitimate price target and measured move. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And of course, thank you for watching very much. I do appreciate it. Make sure you guys come and check out some of my other videos. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps. If you enjoyed this video at all, if you are a fan of Telcoin and you want more people to get this update, make sure that you smash that like button for me. I do appreciate the support very much. And I will be doing a Bitcoin giveaway at 5,000 subscribers. Just if you need a little more encouragement to hit that subscribe button. So thank you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next update.